everyone. Today we will learn about Bhastrika Pranayam, which is an instant energizing pranayam for our body and for our mind as well. That is why it is called as yogic breath of fire. If you are having a problems like stress, anxiety, too many thoughts, confused state of mind, lethargy, dullness, inertia, lack of interest in the present moment, lack of enthusiasm, then Bhastrika Pranayam works like a magic. Because after practicing Bhastrika, you can feel the sense of energy that is becoming alive within, a sense of upliftment, and brings clarity to our mind, which we'll practically experience in this video. Practicing Bhastrika removes the toxins from the lungs and improves the lung capacity. So it's recommended for the people who are suffering from asthma, sinusitis, nose blockage and throat related infections. And the contraindications are those who have ear pain, vertigo, heart disease, high BP, hernia, stomach ulcer, and during the pregnancy should avoid practicing Bhastrika. You can practice Bhastrika any time in the early morning in an empty stomach before practicing asana. That is the recommended, because after practicing Bhastrika your energy is so up and you are uplifted, and this prepares us for practicing yogasanas. So this is all about Bhastrika. So let's learn how to practice Bhastrika. So you can sit comfortably in Sukhasana, a cross-leg position. So in Bhastrika, the breathing pattern is it's active and forceful inhalation and active and forceful exhalation. So first I'll demonstrate you. You can observe me, then we will do it together. So in Bhastrika, our hand should be loose fist beside the shoulders and elbows should be close to the body. As you inhale, you should take your hands up, open up the fingers, stretch your fingers, and as you breathe out, gently drop your hands down and make a fist. That is all. So let's all do this together. So sit comfortably in cross-leg position, loose fist beside the shoulders, elbows close to the body, and gently close your eyes. First, take a normal breath in and breathe out with a smile. Ready? In Bhastrika, actively and forcefully breath in, out, 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 and relax. Hands on the knees, palms facing the sky. Feel the rush of energy inside the body. The energy becoming alive in the body. Let's do this one more time. Loose fist beside the shoulders, elbows close to the body. First, take a normal breath in and breathe out with a smile. Ready? In Bhastrika, actively and forcefully, breath in, out, 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 and relax. Hands on the knees, palms facing the sky. Feel the rush of energy inside the body. Observe how you're feeling at the chest region. The energy becoming alive in the body. And slowly and gently, you may open your eyes. So in the next round, we'll sit in Vajrasana and we'll do Bhastrika. Bend your knees and sit in Vajrasana. Place your hip region on the heels. Loose fist beside the shoulders, elbows close to the body, and close your eyes. First, take a normal breath in and breathe out. Ready? In Bhastrika, actively and forcefully, breath in, out, 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 in, out. Continue for 5 more rounds on your own. Hands on the knees, palms facing the sky. Feel the rush of energy inside the body. Observe how you're feeling at the chest region. Observe how is your state of mind. Slowly, you may open your eyes. How are you all feeling now? Is your mind calm? Please comment and tell us. See, it feels so calm and so uplifted, right? For beginners, you can practice Bhastrika for 3 rounds. In each round, 15 to 20 counts. For intermediate to advanced practitioners, they can do 3 rounds. In each round, 30 to 40 counts. But remember, when you are practicing, if you face any headache or vertigo, then just stop doing it. You can practice Bhastrika in a cross-leg position or in a Padmasana or in Vajrasan and do it. Yeah, this is all about Bhastrika Pranayam. Hope you learned this pranayam. If you have any doubts or anything you want to share, please comment us. Namaskar.